and petroleum. Millions of years ago, the dead plants and animals that were buried under the earth slowly decomposed under extreme heat and pressure to form fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum. Depending on the percentage of their carbon content, there are 4 main types of coal: peat, lignite, bituminous, and anthracite. Peat, a dark brown substance, has the least carbon content. Peat is used as an industrial fuel. Lignite or brown coal is very soft. It contains around 60% of carbon and has the least heating value. Lignite can be used for power generation. Bituminous or black lignite contains around 70% to 86% of carbon and has high heating value. It is therefore used to generate power and to manufacture fuels such as coke. Anthracite contains more than 86% of carbon and has the maximum energy content. It burns with more heat and gives less dust and soot. Therefore, anthracite is mainly used as a fuel for steam engines. Petroleum is trapped between the layers of impervious rocks deep below the Earth's crust. By using a fractionating column, petroleum is refined by the process of fractional distillation. When crude oil is heated in a fractionating column, the vapors of crude oil rise up and condense to produce various fractions. Different fractions have different boiling points. Petroleum gas boils below 40 degrees Celsius. Each molecule consists of 1 to 4 carbon atoms. It is used in homes and industry and in LPG cylinders. Petrol or gasoline boils at around 40 to 200 degrees Celsius. Each molecule consists of 5 to 7 carbon atoms. It is used as a fuel for vehicles and aircraft and as a solvent for dry cleaning. Naphtha boils at around 125 to 175 degrees Celsius. Each molecule consists of 6 to 10 carbon atoms. It is used in production of different chemicals. Kerosene boils at around 175 to 275 degrees Celsius. Each molecule consists of 10 to 16 carbon atoms. It is used as a fuel for stoves and lanterns. Diesel boils at around 235 to 300 degrees Celsius. Each molecule consists of 14 to 20 carbon atoms. It is used as a fuel for engines and generators. Fuel oil boils at around 250 to 400 degrees Celsius. Each molecule consists of 20 to 30 carbon atoms. It is used as a fuel in ships and power stations and in the manufacturing of petroleum jelly. Lubricating oil or paraffin wax boils over 300 degrees Celsius. Each molecule consists of 20 to 50 carbon atoms. It is used in lubrication of machine parts, making candles and shoe polish. The residue, bitumen, boils over 350 degrees Celsius. Each molecule consists of over 50 carbon atoms. It is used for surfacing of roads and in paints. Light fractions with low boiling points have smaller molecules, whereas heavier fractions with high boiling points have large molecules.